This is the Two of Swords. So here we have the numerical number 2. And with this suit card, we have a vision, blindfolded, and this symbol of a human image is crisscrossed with swords in order to create mental balance to formulate a vision with the water element or symbology in the background. So the 2 numerical, which represents the moon quality, and here we have a moon that is in a phase, and it appears to be in a you could read it as a crescent. However, if you look closely, it is waxing, which means that it is gaining in energy. And that is if you quickly read as if the space is covering or shading the moon into a crescent form. However, if you see that the shading is decreasing, which would be a waning phase, it is becoming aware of its environment. So, however you read this card, it could become aware of what is to be subconsciously known or realized, or it could become somewhat of a action that is exerting mental energy to manifest by the water what it's intuiting. So here we have the sand, or it could be a platform, because there's this regalness to this person, the symbol of a person in a full white garment. So it is basically wanting to purify itself, its mind. It wants a clear vision of what it's trying to bring into balance so it can manifest easily from each side of its brain, which is the left side of the brain, an animalistic type of instinctual quality, and the right side of its brain, a more logistic, domestic, and organized manner in order to implement the wildness of its dreams. And here, this is, again, the 2 of Swords. Blessed be. And one more thing, we have, again, 2 islands of rocks on each side, which is personifying the fact that there is balance that needs to be had within the conscious thought of its mental processing in order to execute a clear vision of purification or manifestation for oneself. Blessed be.